Is Lumion a scam or the real deal for architects in 2026? Let's get straight to it. Lumion is absolutely not a scam. It's an industry-standard 3D rendering tool used by the majority of top architecture firms worldwide. But does that mean it's right for you? Here's what I've found after years of seeing it in action. Lumion's biggest strengths are speed and simplicity. Picture this: you're able to render a 4K image in about 30 seconds, just by dragging and dropping your assets. The interface? It honestly feels more like playing a video game than wrestling with traditional rendering software. And the asset library is a dream. Over 10,000 realistic objects, from lush trees to lifelike people and dynamic weather effects. Plus, LiveSync lets you connect your SketchUp, Revit, or Rhino models in real time. It's a massive boost for client presentations. But let's talk about the price. Lumion Pro now costs around $1,140 a year. Even the entry-level view plan is over $200. And it doesn't end there. You'll need a beast of a PC, ideally with an RTX 3070, and at least 32 GB of RAM, to get flawless performance. If you're a student, a hobbyist, or a small studio on a tight budget, I get it. That price tag stings. And while Lumion is Windows only, the visual style is also more stylized. Some say the lighting feels cartoonish compared to V-Ray's photorealism. So, who is Lumion really for? If you're running a professional firm and need rapid, high-quality visuals with almost zero learning curve, Lumion is still top of the game. But if you're just starting out or need to mind your wallet, check out D5 Render or Twinmotion for similar results at a fraction of the cost. My honest advice? Try the free 14-day trial on Lumion's site. See if your hardware can handle it, and if the workflow feels right for you. That's it for my 2026 Lumion review. Let me know in the comments if you agree or if you found a better alternative.